Hey, this is Digital Dave with another cryptocurrency and blockchain update, also known as Gangster Dave. I got on my Gangster Theta hat. I bought this a long time ago and I haven't worn it until now. I figured this is a good time to put it on and use it because I got a couple of pieces of news about Theta Labs and the Theta token, Theta network. First was the new validator was named just a few days ago. It is the firm DHVC, which is a venture capitalist fund that's been with Theta Labs from the very beginning. They were in round one of the Theta private token sale back in 2017. And the other piece of news about Theta is that CNN ran an article talking about Theta and Tfuel's meteoric rise, particularly Tfuel. And the reason why I'm making this video at this location now, because last year I said that I made a video saying this coin will go up 50 times. It was about a penny at the time I made the video, maybe a little bit less than a penny. This was Tfuel, and now at the time of this video, it is 50x. It is 50 cents per Tfuel token. So that's why I'm right here at this beautiful location here on the island of Koh Samui, and enjoying my time here and just chilling out. And actually I'm doing more than chilling out. I'm working a lot with research and all kinds of stuff. There's so much going on, but hey, you know, Theta Labs, mentioned by CNN News, which is great. This is now mainstream coverage, talking about the Theta token and what it does, and the Tfuel token, how it's used for rewards, and the gas and all that other stuff. Well, they didn't say gas. They don't know exactly what it does, but at least they talked about it. You know, if you agree with CNN or not, this is publicity to millions of readers, and which is pretty cool. Link to the article below. Also link below to the announcement about the new Theta token validator, DHVC. Pretty cool things. Okay, I will have my Theta NFTs available. Like I said, it's going to be summer. It's looks like it's going to be next month. It's going to be in July. Okay, which is great because you know, I said before we're going to have the July 4th fireworks. You know, if you're in America. If you're an American, we're going to see July 4th fireworks in July. So you can look up in the sky to see fireworks, and I predict the market's going to be really, really, really nuts then too. If you're not an American, if you don't celebrate Independence Day, you can still see fireworks likely in the crypto market in July. I also believe that Theta is going to have a really, really, and Tfuel is going to have some really strong moves up for the next couple of weeks, because the Mainnet 3.0 comes out June 30th, which is just a couple of weeks away, a little bit less than a couple of weeks away. So the countdown to that is on, and I still believe we're going to see some really, really big moves for these two tokens up until Mainnet 3.0. So, you know, Tfuel and Theta is kind of hard to get, and I want to link. I just got hit in the head with a leaf. It was pretty heavy. It was like a half a kilo with that thing. All right. If you want to get Theta and Tfuel, if you're in the US or if you're in another country that's not available, if you have a Coinbase account, it's not available on Coinbase yet. It's available on Binance.com, but it's not available on Binance.us. If you're an American, it's kind of hard to get Theta and Tfuel. If you want to get it instantly, if you want to play around with it, use the exchange link below on the crazyforcryptos.com site. You can trade in and out of Theta and Tfuel using that site. You can buy Theta and Tfuel. At the time of this video, there's been some interruptions. I believe lack of liquidity is going on. You know, it's kind of hard to get people staking their Theta tokens. 61% Theta tokens are staked, so there's not really a whole lot to buy, to be honest with you. And but right now, at the time of this video, you're able to trade for Theta and Tfuel on the Crazy for Cryptos exchange, and you can trade out of it as well. If you think Tfuel, you know, if it goes up to $1, $1.50 or whatever in the next few weeks, if you think that's just too high and you want to, or whatever, if you want to trade out of it, cash out into Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever, you can do so also on the site. So you can cash in and out of it. So you're not stuck, you're not in a one-way road. So you always want to have the option to get out when you want to. I believe that if we hold on to these tokens, they're going to create passive income. It looks like it's going to be in the realm of about maybe a 30% APY for Tfuel staking. We'll see. It depends on how many people are staking their tokens. It also depends on the price of the token and all that good stuff. But it's looking like it's going to be about a 30% APY, and that'll fluctuate. So maybe it's 20, maybe it's 25, maybe it's 30, 35, whatever. But in that range, pretty good APY. And the current APY for Theta, for staking Theta, you know, the 61% of all the tokens are staked. It's a lot of tokens taken off the market, but we're only getting about a 1.5% return on that, which is pretty weak. But Theta Labs has said that they're going to make that better. They're going to increase that when 3.0, after 3.0 comes out. So there's going to be better rewards for staking Theta as well. And the whole ecosystem is really kind of hard. It's really ingenious. It's kind of hard to explain. I'll do my best real quickly. If you're new to Theta, when you stake your Theta, you get paid in Tfuel tokens. This is how they're earned from you. You can also earn them by currently on Theta TV. If you're a streamer or if you're a participator, if you're sharing your bandwidth, you can earn a little bit of Tfuel that way. And when you have a bunch of Tfuel, if you have a minimum of 10,000 currently, you can actually stake those, and that creates more Tfuel. Okay? Confused yet? All right. You don't have to be. You can earn income with both of those tokens simply by holding those and making a couple of steps, staking those tokens. That's all you got to do. So that's all I got to say. You know, I've got details in the Patreon if you want to check it out. Don't think you have to join, but there's a lot of information in there if you want to check it out. So a lot of members, and it's a really, really valuable support group, in my opinion. Really, really valuable. Okay, you know, that's it. I just wanted to I wanted to show off my gangster hat. You know, I'm feeling pretty gangster right now. I got on my gangster Theta TV shirt. I got on my gangster Theta watch. Theta blue cushions here. Wind's blowing. Doesn't get any better than that. This is DD. I'll see you next time.